Okay, so I have an idea for you. If you think you're at a place in your life that you feel like you can't get any farther, or you're at a place where you're at a crossroad and you don't know which direction to go in, or maybe you've even hit a wall and you're just like absolutely frozen, I have an idea for you. The idea is this program coming up April 13th. It's a 3-month intensive right here in Nashville, and it's called the Joyful Life Training. And it trains you on how to live life easily with your natural talents, with the gifts that are already available to you that you may not realize are there. A lot of times people think healing has to be hard. It doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't have to be difficult. It doesn't have to be painful. I use positivity and I use breath work with the work I do. And they are powerful tools. Positivity meaning focus on what you want instead of what you don't want. I mean, we've been through enough of what we don't want. So, right? So let's go ahead and focus on what we do want and notice the power in letting your passion pull you along, your dreams. And one of my natural gifts is inspiration. So I help you find what your natural talents are, help you unearth that inspiration, and breath work, which is one of the main tools I use, that will also open you up, help you feel a joy, a passion, a peace, that you may not have experienced before. So we take all of this fire that's created in you, and then we direct it with all these tools that I'll show you how to use. We'll practice together. We have a group of maybe 10 to 12 people in this training, and we share with each other. We help each other. We support each other. We cheer each other on, and we sometimes we even cry with each other when we're crying. It's really a beautiful experience. So it's a 3-month program, 1 weekend a month for 3 months. I use the training of Eckhart Tolle, Brene Brown, Shakti Gawain, Abraham Hicks, Deepak Chopra. Good stuff. And I put it together so that you can understand how to use it for you. Anyway, once a weekend for 3 months, starts April 13th. It's April, May, June. March, April, May, I'm sorry. Sorry, I can't believe that. So, no, it's April, May, June. Yeah, April, May, June. Got it. So, let me know what you want to do. Give me a call, 615-212-5511, thejoyfullifeproject.com, and I'd love to talk with you. It's a powerful program, and I'd love to have you here. Bye-bye. Give me a call.